Everybody, so our 8-month-old daughter is going through a bit of sleep regression and she only wants mommy during bedtime. I feel really bad for my wife because she's putting in all these extra hours and she's really not getting a lot of sleep. So this year for Valentine's Day, I'm going to show her just how much I appreciate her by making her favorite breakfast item, which is French toast. I figured I'll make this video for you guys because French toast is really easy to make. It's super quick, really delicious. You're going to look like a superstar, and you can make large batches so you can give it to your friends, family, and loved ones. Let's go make some really delicious French toast. This is a fast and easy recipe to make French toast, and you can make a large batch. First, let's grab 4 cups of heavy cream. Now at first I'm going to put in 3 egg yolks. The recipe is going to take 6 total egg yolks, but I like to split it up just so I make sure that the eggs are blended completely. Next, we're going to grab 1 cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. We're going to grab 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Hand whisk the ingredients together and make sure they're completely blended. Once I'm sure that everything is blended together, I put in the 3 remaining egg yolks and give it another whisk. I really feel like this method makes a difference. It gives the French toast a nice texture and gives it a fluffy appearance when it's done baking. That looks really good. I'm happy with that. You can tell that the ingredients are fully mixed and I have a nice consistency. For this cook, I'm using white bread, but you're welcome to use any bread that you like. And depending on that bread, you can make anywhere between 12 and 18 slices. My wife loves fresh berries on top of her toast, but we're going to dress them up a bit. Alright, now this part's completely optional, but I'm slicing the strawberries into these cute little designs. This first design is called the fan-out method, but this second design is super fancy. It's actually the crown or blooming method, and I'm only doing it to impress you guys so you guys will subscribe to my channel. Don't be like that. Go subscribe. Alright, so I usually don't pour this much sugar on top of the French toast, but for video purposes, I'm fluffing it up a bit. Now to get the sugar to caramelize, I'm going to be using my flamethrower, but you don't have to do this. You can stick your French toast back in the oven and set your oven to broil, and you'll get the same results. Remember those fancy strawberries from a minute ago? Please subscribe. I'm also going to be adding raspberries and blueberries with some chopped pecans. And here comes the money shot.
Was meant to be, like it was written in our destiny. Oh.
This is a really easy recipe to make and just in time for Valentine's Day. So guys, get out of the doghouse, treat your loved ones to a nice stack of French toast. I guarantee you it tastes just as good as it looks. If you guys like this video, please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get notified on my next videos, and share this video with your loved ones. I will see you guys on the next one. Take care. Happy Valentine's Day.
I get this crazy feeling deep in my